How to make an image bigger in Photopea. There are two different scenarios. Maybe you just drag and drop the image to existing project and now you can see that it's pretty small, it's not even covering the whole work area. In that case, click on the image or on the layer with the image, use the move tool and make sure you select this one, transform controls. Turn it on. You will see those controls now and you can just simply click and drag the corner up to make the image larger. If you are happy with your transformation, click here OK at the top to confirm. The second case, when you just drag and drop the image directly and then you want to enlarge this image and save it as new file. In that case, click Image, search for image size. You will see the exact size of your image. You can change units. I will go with centimeters. This image is huge, it's 300 centimeters, but I can make it even larger. Keep in mind, we are resampling pixels, so it's maybe a bit blurry when we're stretching up raster images. I will make it 400 now. With the lock on, the height will scale in the good proportion. Click OK. It may take a moment and here's the larger version of my image. I will need to click File and export this as the brand new file. Export as and we can select the format you need. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.